Supercar.com if you're new. I'm Lambro Steve, and James got out with the... I'm back. That was violent. Darren, did you hear that? When it was that pop? Ah! That thing was loud. My car, you can't even... My car's sitting there idle and you can't even hear it. What? You like that? Look at here. Real life exhaust. That's a Ferrari.
I know.
I didn't even notice that.
They need to change that and put an actual car on here. An actual Lamborghini.
Boo! Cover that up. That's terrible. And then we got a Supercar here.
I'm gonna get my Lamborghini glasses out here.
Ketowa Band of Cherokee Indians in Oklahoma.
Yes.
Whoa, that's a very rare tag.
We're representing the tribe.
Look at this.
Love the door panels. Yeah, I polished those last week. I know.
Oh, dude, it comes with a hot chick. Look. Oh my God.
Yeah, don't get everything behind the scenes.
This is a Super Ligera.
Not a good V12 sound, but you know, it's not bad for it.
All right, we're gonna hop over to the tunnels at what's that place called? What's that place called?
The Gathering Place.
The Gathering Place. We're going to the Gathering Place. We're gonna rip through the tunnels, get some video of this guy. My ears are about dead, but we'll try it in the tunnels and see if it's worse later.
You bring it out of side of me that I don't know. I decided we want to speak so. Why we up to me, ain't you know? Why don't you cause I already know what I ain't staying on. You wanna tell your
He just, wow. He might have, light was just turning green. Wow.
Let's give him a minute.
That was fun.
Let's let him get ahead of us.
I think they're ahead of us now.
Far enough.
That was nuts.
It's gonna be a good one here.
That was so loud. We're not blocking. Yeah, I'm ready.
Ready, bro?
Yeah.
Let's go do it.
You cannot possibly believe what it sounds like in person. The camera can't even handle the sound. There's no way. That is the most like ridiculously loud car ever. Oh my God. Yeah, I'm ready.
Ready, bro?
Yeah. You Dustin over here trying to film it. People trying to film your exhaust with one hand like that because our ears are blowing out. All right, epic tunnel runs. That was so much fun. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna make this into its own video, so I'll try to throw some dash cam in there too. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, turn on notifications. See you in the next video. Later.
Okay.